and then we should have audio this time. So that was a test, and I think now we should have audio, hopefully. So hopefully we are live on YouTube.
You are live. And you have audio.
Nice. Let's see. We may have some others joining in on the Zoom call. Basically, I'm using Zoom again, but I'm using OBS to broadcast it instead. Just because I'm not exactly happy with the big Zoom logo in the project, and I don't know if it's appropriate to edit that out like I have just now, but we'll see. Hopefully this video doesn't get pulled for some strange reason, but I'm not even sure why I'm worried about it. Anyway, we have this, it's a MacBook Pro, and this, as the story goes, I know this one looks very similar. It has a cover just like the last one. As the story goes, they tried to replace the battery, so the battery wasn't working. And now there's no display. So we're going to try and figure that out. First, we have to actually witness that there is nothing on the screen. Actually, it's not powering up. So let's plug it in. So I'll get this tangled wire thing that they have given me untangled. And we're going to work out what's happening here. This is insane. All right, so let's plug it in. All right, plug it in, we get a green light. Good. That is interesting. We're having, oh, I was going to say there's no response to the power button. But that is just not true. Yes. There is no display. There also appears to be no keyboard backlight. Try to trigger it to eject the disk. No. I can feel it vibrating, so there's something happening there. All right, well, I'll go ahead and get started. So first, I have to remove this cover, which I'm not really a fan of these covers. Yeah, there's a little piece of tape just covering up the client's name. Okay, so this is actually just Phillips screw. It's kind of nice when there's someone to talk to. Otherwise, it's just kind of boring, right? It's just me talking to myself. Well, I mean, that's not always boring. You kind of get a little crazy in here sometimes. I don't know. You got something good to talk about? So, and I always arrange these in the order that they came out because there are different lengths. All right, so let's see what's in here. And it's actually running. It's powered on. So there's nothing obvious. The display cable appears to be seated properly. So what we're going to do is just check everything. So the case is that they replaced this battery, correct?
That's the original battery that they put back in it.
Oh, they put the original back in. I was going to say because it's actually cracked here. Do we have the replacement battery?
No.
Okay, so the display cable has been touched. That popped free way too easy. So let's see. Get a closer look. I'm going to pick it up. So there really is nothing obvious here. I'm just going to reseat it. I doubt that that's all it's going to be, but crazier things have happened. That's seated all the way across. Good. And I'm just going to try to power it back on. Okay, we've got a light on the edge. No activity, so I'm going to try and force it to power on, power off, and back on. And the battery could be dead. All right, it's powering up. And we have a display. So, as I said, crazier things have happened. So that was it. It just was, I mean, it's quite possible it wasn't seated all the way. I mean, reseating it has corrected that. Pretty cool. All right, well, I guess that's the end of that. And we'll be back. I'll have another one probably tomorrow. Thanks, guys. Have fun.
Three people watching.